Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll talk about the possible reasons for your bathtub not draining. Watch the video until the end to learn this and more. Here are possible reasons why your bathtub isn't draining. First, hair may have accumulated in the drain, causing it to clog. To fix this, remove all the water in the tub and extract the drain stopper. Next, inspect the drain's cover and the stopper. Look for any visible hair strands and remove them using your hands. Then, if these are clear, replace the stopper and cover it back in place. Secondly, dirt has possibly built up in the drain, causing blockage. In response, start by boiling water in a kettle. Then, carefully pour all that water down the drain. Let the drain settle for 10 minutes, then open the faucet and check if the drain has cleared up. Do this a few times if necessary. However, do this only if your pipes are metallic. Lastly, your tub's drain stopper could be misaligned. To fix this, start by emptying the tub. Then, look for the drain stopper and extract it. Check for any signs of damage. If you find any, consider replacing the stopper. Next, clean the stopper if it has any dirt buildup. Then, securely put the stopper back in place. Ensure it aligns with the drain opening. And there you have it. These are the possible reasons for your bathtub not draining and what you can do about it. Thanks for watching. Till next time.